Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a paper project I created as a gift for my friend. This will also be a perfect craft fair idea. Here I'm using the fairy tale floral and a notepad I purchased at Tuesday morning. The first step would be to measure your notepad against your 12 by 12 sheet of paper. I'm going to use a ruler and a pencil. This is just going to be a quick marking so I could trim down the paper. Now that I've done measuring, I will start to cut my paper with my paper trimmer. The next step will be to fold your paper over the notepad and make two little markings with a pencil. You will score those markings in the center down the entire sheet. I really want this cover to be durable, long-lasting, and waterproof, so I'm going to laminate it. It is now completely laminated. I use a regular sheet and I'm going to just trim off the excess. Next step will just be to fold where the scores were done. Now I want this cover to also be reusable, so I'm going to attach Velcro with super tight all-purpose universal glue. I will not recommend using hot glue. Super tight all-purpose universal glue, it is perfect and it will glue securely onto this material and is perfectly safe. And if you're interested in purchasing this type of glue, see my link below. I have a coupon code for you. Now that it's fully ready, I'm going to adhere it onto the plastic cover and I'm going to add my notebook onto it as well. Now I'm just going to do a quick measure because I want to create a center hole to insert an elastic. And to create that hole, I'm using my eyelet setter tool. To measure my elastic, it's from the center hole to the bottom. It should be long enough to cover the entire notebook. You would just insert the elastic and create a knot and you are good to go. And here's my finished cover. I did add a felt flower because I wanted to embellish this and this was a gift from my friend. There is the notepad to write your grocery lists, to-do list, and it's completely removable, so you can add another notepad once you're done. Well, thanks so much for watching. Tell me what you think below. Did you like this project? I will love to hear from you. Give it a big like, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. If you're interested in super tight adhesives, the link is below. Thank you for spending your time with me, and until next project, God bless. Bye-bye.